Welcome to another day of drawing. Today we're going to be drawing a starfish for you guys. I'm going to be doing this video a little bit different in that I won't be doing a sketching part. This is because I feel pretty confident in drawing the shape of a star, but if you don't feel as confident, you can very well do a sketching part of the shape before you actually do the outline part, which is pretty much what I'm doing right now. We're going to be adding some details to the outside of the starfish. This is to give it a little bit more detail and make it look a little bit more cartoony as well. After we finish up on the details on the outside, we're gonna be giving this face for the eyes. Feel free to be creative and add things differently if you want. You can do like eyelashes if you want to make it more feminine. You can make the mouth look different as well. Just play with it and have fun. I want to take this moment to ask you guys, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps us out a lot. Also, any kind of engagement helps as well, so if you like the video, please send us a like as well. Thank you. We're adding the final details on the star. We got our face, and this will be wrapping it up. For our coloring, we're going to keep that part simple as well. We're going very simple on this design, so just to keep it in line with the level of simplicity, we're just going to do 3 different colors for the body of the star. We're just gonna finish it off with a few more shading details and lighting, and there you have it, a starfish. If you're liking this video so far, also please feel free to share with anybody who you think would enjoy watching this. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, please send us a subscribe. Turn on the bell so that you can get notifications for any future videos that we make.